Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to you to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today's discussion is regarding Indian Classical Flute. In India there are a lot of flutes you will get, but we will use the Indian Classical Flute in the discussion. First discuss about this bamboo. This is a special qualities bamboo. This bamboo is to come from Assam, the northeast part of India. This bamboo is very smooth. The obstructions of the bamboo is no. You can see the thickness of the bamboo is very moderate, not too much thick, not too less. Okay. Now let me tell about this flute. If you have seen, this is the flute. Now we will see how many counts of the holes. Can you count the holes? Yes, total 8 counts. This is called the blowing holes. These all are keys where we need to press our fingers and play Saregama Pathanisa. This is called tuning holes. While flute is to prepare, this is very important holes where we used to tune, and generally we do not press it. Generally we do not use in our professional flute playing, but some expertise they can use it, but it is not at all in use, okay, in our flute playing. Okay, so this is blowing holes. These all 6 are keys. This is the tuning holes. Now come to the point, what this ribbon is. It is not a ribbon. These are all threads. The threads is to binding like that. This looks like a ribbon. Okay, this is very important, guys. Take a look. This is very important. This is not only for fashion. This ribbon will protect your flute to some extent, like in your mobile camera the screen guard is present, right? Same like that. This will give you a minimum protections when your flute is falling from hand, or sometimes it may be dangerous if it is fall down. It is very fragile instrument, handle it with your care. So okay, so it getting scratch, or it getting maybe tiny little crack, you may not seen, and may not be it cannot be seen in bare eyes. So those cases, to some extent, it will protect your flute. Okay, sometimes it has been seen, it is coming out from this area. I have seen a couple of my students also, so I will show you how to fix it in another video, but I hope I make myself clear in this video. What is the flute materials, where it is coming from, what is this, what is the blowing holes, what are the keys, and what is the tuning holes. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye then.